If you're a League player blocked by Van 1067, you're not alone. Fixing it is easier than you think. Here's your quick guide to getting Vanguard running again. First, let's check if TPM 2.0 is enabled. Hit Windows key plus R, type tpm.nmc, and press Enter. If it says the TPM is ready for use, you're good. If not, you'll need to dive into your BIOS settings. Restart your PC, then mash the F2, delete, or ESC key, depends on your motherboard. In BIOS, look for a section called Advanced, Security, or Trusted Computing. AMD users, enable FTPM. Intel folks, look for PTT. Save and exit with F10. Now, for Secure Boot, find it in the Boot or Security tab. Make sure BIOS boot mode is set to UEFI, then enable Secure Boot. Save and restart. Still getting Van 1067? Try restarting everything, running as admin, reinstalling Vanguard, or flushing your DNS. GG, your PC should be ready to frag again.